Eto, Aries.
Hello. So I wanted to ask regarding the psyche. Like, okay, is the halimaw, does it exist or is it just the psyche?
It's just
Because it's a bit confusing on my
it's just a psyche.
Hello po. Helena Lee, dramaturg. Yung halimaw kasi in the original book, it doesn't exist.
Yes.
I think it was Simone's line. I also play Simone. Important line niya is yung baka tayo lang rin yung halimaw. The halimaw is, ayun nga, it's in us. It's the evil that is in everybody. So yung kinakatakutan ng mga bata in the island is, of course, the figment of their imagination, but it's also a manifestation of all the evil in humans, in human beings. So, ayun, it's not true na there's a halimaw. But, well, technically there is, and it's everybody. I hope I answered the question correctly. Thank you.
A from Aries.
Hello.